Welcome to the world of sustainable creativity, where imagination meets responsibility in transforming discarded materials into beautiful and functional home decor. In an age where environmental concerns dominate discussions around consumerism, the practice of upcycling, specifically turning thrown-away plastics into stunning decor, has become more than just a trend, it's a vital movement. This endeavor not only helps alleviate the plastic pollution crisis but also empowers individuals to express their creativity, contribute to the economy, and foster community engagement. By embracing the notion that waste can be a valuable resource, we open up a realm of possibilities in home decor that resonates with the environmentally conscious consumer. As we explore into the realm of DIY projects that transform plastic waste into eye-catching decor, you'll discover the various facets of this rewarding practice. From simple crafts that anyone can undertake to intricate designs that challenge your creative skills, there's something for everyone in this journey. The beauty of these projects lies not only in their aesthetic appeal but also in the stories they tell, stories of resilience, innovation, and stewardship for our planet. Whether you aim to create a profitable small business or simply want to enhance your living space sustainably, the art of upcycling offers both joy and purpose. Join us as we explore the myriad ways to turn what once was considered trash into treasured decor, inspiring a community unified by creativity and environmental consciousness. As we reach the conclusion of this inspiring journey into the world of upcycling, we hope you've gained valuable insights and creative ideas for transforming thrown-away plastics into beautiful home decor. Your engagement is vital, so if you found this content uplifting and informative, we encourage you to stay connected by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Each click not only supports our mission to promote sustainable practices but also helps spread the message of creativity and environmental responsibility to others. Together, we can build a vibrant community dedicated to innovation and eco-consciousness. So, let's join forces to inspire more individuals to reimagine waste, transform their spaces, and contribute positively to our planet. Thank you for being a part of this movement, and we look forward to sharing more exciting projects with you in the future. In today's world, environmental awareness is more crucial than ever. The rising levels of plastic waste in our ecosystems pose a significant threat to wildlife and human health alike. As consumers become increasingly concerned about sustainability, upcycling has emerged as a proactive approach to address this issue. Upcycling is the process of transforming discarded materials into new products of higher quality or value. This not only helps reduce waste but also opens doors to innovative and decorative solutions for home decor. DIY projects offer a unique opportunity to engage with our creative sides while contributing to the larger goal of sustainability. The tactile nature of crafting can be very fulfilling, allowing individuals to personalize their living spaces while growing their skills. Projects made from thrown-away plastics typically require minimal initial financial investment, making them accessible to anyone interested in exploring their artistic potential. The demand for sustainable and eco-friendly products is rising. Consumers are increasingly seeking items that help reduce their carbon footprint, and this shift creates ample opportunities for small businesses focused on eco-consciousness. By turning thrown-away plastics into home decor, entrepreneurs can satisfy this consumer demand while making a positive environmental impact. Engaging in DIY projects that upcycle plastic waste can lead to the development of unique decor items that stand out in the marketplace. From flower pots made from plastic bottles to decorative wall art crafted from old containers, the possibilities are endless. These distinctive products not only appeal to environmentally aware consumers but can also command higher price points due to their originality and handmade quality. To successfully turn thrown-away plastics into attractive decor, it's essential to understand the upcycling process. This involves collecting discarded plastics, cleaning them, and brainstorming innovative ways to repurpose them. Whether it's by cutting, painting, or combining different materials, the creative process can inspire new ideas that may not have been apparent at first glance. Documenting this process can also engage an audience, particularly if shared through social media channels. Hosting workshops can be an effective way to foster community engagement and promote sustainable practices. By teaching others how to transform plastic waste into decor items, entrepreneurs not only spread awareness but can also build a loyal customer base. Workshops can serve as both educational platforms and income-generating opportunities, establishing a community ethos around sustainability. Establishing a brand that focuses on eco-friendly home decor can highlight a commitment to sustainable practices. A cohesive brand message can enhance appeal and establish credibility, attracting customers who are passionate about the environment. Utilizing platforms like social media and e-commerce can further amplify this message and reach a broader audience. To enhance product diversity and market reach, consider collaborating with local artists or other small businesses. Such partnerships can lead to the development of limited edition products or co-hosted events that elevate the customer experience. These collaborations can also strengthen community ties and broaden customer bases, creating mutually beneficial relationships. In conclusion, turning thrown-away plastics into profits through engaging DIY decor projects is not just a creative endeavor, it's a movement towards a more sustainable future. By exploring the potential of upcycling, aspiring entrepreneurs can merge creativity with eco-consciousness, paving the way for a new business model that champions both profitability and environmental responsibility. This approach inspires individuals to reconsider their waste habits and encourages them to seek innovative solutions, making every small effort count in the larger fight against plastic pollution. Thank you for watching the video. We appreciate your time and interest in exploring the transformative power of upcycling and sustainable creativity. If you enjoyed what you saw and found inspiration in our projects, we invite you to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any future content. By liking and sharing this video, you help us spread the message of eco-conscious living and inspire others to join our community dedicated to turning waste into art. Your support is invaluable in building a more sustainable future, and we can't wait to embark on this creative journey with you. Stay tuned for more exciting ideas and projects that celebrate our planet and the beauty of repurposed materials.